Tutorials by Andrew Buckle. In this tutorial I'm just going to show you how you can quickly create interesting designs just using EPS files, and in particular a sort of dot themed EPS file. Now you can import them via file and place linked. I've already got a selection of EPS dot files that I've created earlier, and you can just see all the various dot designs I've just created. So you can just make whole loads of blots or spots across a document. So just going to go file and then place. So that place command will now just place it as a layer. You can see it over here as a layer. And right, double click that. Now I can hold the Alt key down and I can just duplicate that. So I can just create numerous copies and fill an entire document. Also, because it's a vector, you can resize it, modify it, rotate it. I'm just going to rotate it. And again, duplicate that. Now, how to actually create something like this? Of course, you've got something like Illustrator or another application. I'm using Affinity Designer, so I've actually created just a simple document here, and I've just used ellipse tool, and I've just added multiple ellipses, and obviously in different colours, just setting the colours over here. Once you've done that, you can just go to File and Export, and you can save it as an EPS file, export. Okay, so that's how I created them, and obviously, like I say, Illustrator is another way of doing it. So going back to Photoshop. Now, if you want to actually colour this, you can actually just quickly just go over to Layer and New Adjustment Layer and Hue Saturation. Click OK and Colorize, and you can just colorize. Now that's colorizing the whole lot. Now you might not want that. So if you say just want, I'll just make it a bit more saturation so you can actually see it a bit clearer. Now you can just select that one and say that one there. So hold Shift down. So you've got both selected. So that and that selected, and you can turn around and then say Layer and Smart Object convert to Smart Object. All the others are renamed that, because it's a bit confusing when if you want to do another hue and saturation. So just call that Layer 1, and you can duplicate that and just say Layer 1 over there, so you get multiple copies of. And you can apply other effects. Of course, you can just say layer style, add a drop shadow, that sort of thing. Now, say you want to recolor that one, but obviously you don't want to color all those, so you can just go to a Layer and New Adjustment Layer, again Hue Saturation, one of the other ones, click OK, colorize, and it colors all those again. But you can do exactly the same thing as before. Just select that and that, holding Shift key down, select those, Layer and Smart Objects, convert to Smart Object, and then you've got a sort of purple design over there and some green ones. So whole range of dots, all again are vector files that can be any size. Hope you found this of interest.